Good morning, one and all. What is the first unit is DC circuits. The important topics of the DC circuits, the first unit topic is electrical circuit elements. What are the electrical circuit elements are resistance, inductance, and capacitance, RLC, and voltage sources and current sources, and Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law, and analysis of simple circuit with the DC excitation, DC circuits. Next theorem, superposition theorems, and Northam's theorems, and Thevenin's theorems, and time domain analysis of first order of RL and RC circuits. The first unit is the first topic is electrical circuits and electrical elements. First of all, what is the electrical circuit? The electrical circuit is an interconnection of electrical elements. Nowadays, the electrical engineering, we are often interested in communicating the or transferring the energy from one point to another point. So the energy is transferred to one point to another point. You need required interconnection of electrical devices. Such interconnection is referred as in electrical circuits. That devices, that each component of the electrical circuits is known as a element, and each component of the circuits is known as a electrical element. For example, the circuit diagram, one bulb is connected to the one battery. Okay, the one element is connected to the one battery. Okay, the current passing through the direction is positive or negative. And what are the units of the some electrical quantities? Length is units of the meter, and mass is kilogram. The time is second, and electrical current is current amperes. Thermodynamic temperature is Kelvin, and luminosity is candle. The first of all, what is the electrical current? What is the voltage and power and charge? Now, for example, when I conducting wire, above the diagram, when conducting wire is connected to the battery, are compelled to move the positive charge moves in one direction and negative charge moves in opposite directions. The motion of charges creates a electrical current. Before charge means it is an electrical property of the atomic particles of which matter consists, that is called as electrical charge. The units of the electrical charge is coulombs. And the next one is electrical current. Electrical current is defined as it is the time rate of change of charge. Okay, the rate of change of charge is called as electrical current. The flow of electronics. The flow of electronics is called as electrical current. The unit of the electrical current is amperes. It is denoted by A, and current is denoted by I. There are free electronics available in all semiconductor or conductor materials. There are free electronics move set on random in all directions within the structure in the absence of external voltage. If certain amount of voltage is applied across the material, all free electronics moves in one direction depend upon the polarity of applied voltage. The movement of electronics from one end of the material to the other end consists of an electrical current that is called as an electrical current. It is denoted by capital I or small I. The convention of direction of a current flow in opposite to the flow of negative charge, that is called electronics. Current is mainly defined as the rate of flow of electronics in conductor or semiconductor materials. The flow of electronics is called as electrical current. The rate of change of charge is called current. So mathematically, the relationship between the current and I and T. So the rate of charge is called as current, or dq by dt. Dq by dt means dq means small change in charge. dt means the small change in time. Okay, charge by time or small change in charge by small change in time. That is called small a equal dq by dt, or capital A equal to charge by time. The units of the current is amperes. Ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second, and charge per time kabatti. So the units of the charge is coulombs. Time is units of the time is second. So the ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. So 1 coulomb is the charge carried by the 6.25 10 to the power of 8 electronics. Now, different types of currents is, that is AC current and DC current. In DC current, it is the current that remains constant with the time. The graph is that DC current is straight line. Okay, it is symbolized by I. It is used to represent a constant current. This current, DC currents that remain constant with the time. The time versus current is constant with the time. The alternating current or sinusoidal current. It is the current that varies sinusoidally with the time. The time varying current is represented by the I. The next one is voltage. Current means the rate of charge by time or the flow of electronics. The rate of flow of electronics in semiconductor material or conductor material is called as a current, or rate of charge by time, that is called as a current. It is units or amperes. It is denoted by A. And there are two types of current: AC current and DC current. The DC current is a time constant. It is a current that varies, remains constant with the time. The current that remains constant with the time. The AC current is, alternating current is the current varies the sinusoidally with the time. Next one, second one is voltage. With the voltage, the main simply defined as the potential difference between the 2 points. Or according to the structure of an atom, you know that there are two types of charges: positive charges and negative charges. There are a force attraction exists between these charges. The certain amount of energy is required. Some amount of energy is required to overcome the force and move charge a specific distance. All positive charges pass a certain amount of potential energy because of separation between them. So the difference in a potential energy of the charges is called potential differences. The potential differences in electrical terminology is known as voltage. It is denoted by capital I or small I. So one more definition is the difference, the potential difference between the potential energy, the potential difference in the difference in the potential energy of the charges is called as a potential differences or voltage, or charge energy by charge. One more definition is dW by dq or W by q. It is expressed in energy or voltage is equal to energy by charge, dW by dq. Okay. 1 volt is the potential difference between the 2 points. Okay. Simply, the voltage is the potential, the difference in potential energy of charges is called potential differences. The difference in potential energy of charges. The difference in potential energy of charges, that is called as a potential difference. The potential difference in electrical terminology is known as a voltage. It is denoted by V. Or one more definition is that small change in energy by small change in charge, dW by dq. Already told, the current is the amount of electronics from one end to the one end of material to the another end of materials. The flow of electronics is called as a current. Already told, charge by time. The next one is already told what is the charge? Charge is 1 coulomb of charge is equal to the change of 1.65 electronics. The next one is the next terminology is power. The power is defined as the rate of change of energy. Rate of change of energy is called as a power. P equal to energy by time, means W by T. P equal to dW by dt. So dW is equal to represented by change in energy, small change in energy. dq represented by small change in by time. So P equal to dW by dt. It multiple and divide with the dq. So here dW by dq and dq by dt related to the dW by dt equal to dW by dq into dq by dt. So dW by dq means voltage, dq by dt means current. The product of voltage and current is called power. One more definition of power is P equal to V into A, the product of voltage and current. The units of the power is watts. The next one is energy. The energy, it is defined as the capacity of body. The capacity of body doing the work, it is called as a energy. So one more definition of energy is equal to the product of power into time. Okay, it is it is defined as the capacity of body for doing the work, that is called as energy. Energy, one more definition is of energy is product of power into time. Now the RLC parameters are the first one is resistance, inductance, and capacitance. The first one is resistance. The resistance symbol is one. And again, the resistance means propose the flow of electronics. When a current flow in a material, the free electronics moves through the material and collide with the other atoms. The collision causes with the electronics lose some their energy. So the losses of energy for unit charge is the drop, that is called as a drop. This losses of energy is called as a drop drop in a potential. This collision dissect the movement of electronics. This property of material dissect the flow of electronics is called as a is called resistance. The main property of the resistance is to oppose the flow of electronics. Okay, the flow of electronics to oppose the flow of electronics. The property of material to reject the flow of electronics is called as a resistance. The unit of the resistance is ohm. Our ohm is defined as the resistance offered by the material when the current of 1 ampere flows between two terminals with a 1 volt applied across them. According to Ohm's law, when current is directly proportional to the voltage, that is called as a current law. I is proportional to V. I equal to V by R. The 1 by R is called as a ohmic resistance. Above the equation, I equal to the relationship with the voltage and current is V equal to I into R. Okay, V equal to 1 into R. R 1 by R is called as a conductance. The unit of the conductance is mho. The unit of the resistance is ohm. The reciprocal of the resistance is conductance. Units of the unit of conductance is ohm. When a current flow through any resistive material, heat is generated by the collision of electrons with other atomic particles. The power is absorbed. The resistance is converted into the heat. So heat. So actually, the power is depend as voltage and current. Here, according to Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. So I into R into I, the I square R. One of the formula for power equal to I square R. Or one more formula is V square by R. In the problem, for example, 1 ohm resistance is connected across at 12 volts battery. How much current passing through the resistor? So here one resistance is 10 ohms. The voltage is 12 volts. So I equal to V by R. So 12 by 10 equal to 1.2 ohm amperes. Okay, the resistance is to oppose the flow of electronics is called as a resistance. To oppose the current, that is called as a resistance. The resistance units is ohms. The relationship between the power voltage and current is V equal to I into R. So P equal to I square R or V square by R. The next terminal is inductance. The inductance is a wire of certain length when twisted into coil become a basic inductor. Okay, if a current is made passing through the inductor, an electromagnetic field is formed. A change in the magnitude of current charges in the electromagnetic field. Increasing the current expands the magnetic field, and decreasing in current in reduces. The change in current produces the changes in the EMF, which induce the voltage across the coil according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. The unit of the inductance is Henry. When Henry means when a current through the coil changing the rate of 1 amperes per second, that is called as a Henry. And the relationship between the current and voltage is V equal to di by dt. Okay, so V is the voltage across the inductor, I is the current through the inductor. Okay. So now apply the basic relationships. dA by 1 by L into V by dT. Integrating the both the side. Integration of dA equal to 1 by L into integration of V into dt. So apply the IET equal to 1 by L into integration of V into dt. So for example, power observed by the inductor P equal to V into I. So L into I into dA by dt. Now energy stored in the inductor is W equal to integration of P dt, integration of L into dA by dt. So Li square by R. Okay, the energy stored in the inductor is Li square by R. Energy stored in the resistance is V square by R into T, or I square R into T. For example, the current in a 2 Henry inductor varies at a rate of change of current. The current value is 2 ampere per second, 2 amperes. The inductor is 2 Henry. To find the voltage V equal to L into dA by dt. So L value is 2, dA by dt value rate of change of current value is 4 amperes. So 8 volts. Find the voltage across the inductor and energy stored in the magnetic field. Energy stored into half Li square. Half into L into I square. I square value is 4 amperes. um, 16 joules. The next terminal is capacitance. The capacitance is any two conducting surface separated by an insulating material exhibiting the property of capacitance. The conducting surface is called as electrodes. Okay, and the insulating medium is called as a dielectric. The capacitor stores energy in the form of electrical field that they established by the opposite charges on two electrodes. The electric field is represented by the lines of force between two positive and negative charges, and is connected with the dielectric. The amount of charge per unit voltage the capacitor stores in the capacitance. The units of the capacitance is capacitor. The unit of the capacitance unit is farad. It is denoted by F. Our capacitor is equal to charge by voltage, Q by voltage. The current value is equal to C into dV by dt, or dV equal to 1 integration of, in terms of voltage equal to V equal to 1 by C into integration of I into dt. The power value equal to of CV square. The power value equal to V into C into dV by dt. The energy value of the energy stored in capacitor is equal to of CV square. The energy stored in inductor is equal to of Li square. The energy stored in the resistance is equal to I square R T into V square R by T.